So, vlog takeover, no? Kaya ang inyong pagbansang skin, medyo busy pa. Vlog takeover sa tagamay, sa mga takaroon nila sa among clinic. By the way, usap pa sa mga dentist diri. I'm totally new to this vlogging thing, so pasensya kayo. Dili mo na i-appel ng Burns, yara mo na ika. Musa tong skin niya, Burns?
Hello guys! This is my 3rd month sa akong braces and Doc Mark adjusted the agiri position diya ng akong braces sa bracket. Welcome to MADC Dental Clinic! Hi guys! What's up mga mads? Mga mads good. So welcome back to my video. Welcome back to my video. Okay, I'm here at MADC Dental Clinic and it is my 3rd month. Yeah, with my braces on and nyani ko dire kay gi-reposition ni Doc ang akong braces. So and aside sa pag reposition is this is the best time for us to hear from the doctor himself kung unsang Hi Doc Mark, good afternoon. Basing gusto ka mo greet sa akong mga friends dara.
Hi Burns, wala sa tag-artista ni.
Naging artista na kaoy kay na feature na kasi ABS-CBN. Okay, so Doc, question, what's new with MADC Dental Clinic?
Actually, this kind of treatment for malocclusion is an alternative for metal brackets kanang mga artista, kanang feeling nila pambata ra ang braces, metal brackets. Pwede din sa ilaha of all ages. It's clear and it's faster, and it can also treat wide range of malocclusion. So basically, ano na siya? Tanawa.
So you focus.
You're gonna change this for 1 to 2 weeks until mahuman ang treatment.
So this is what you call Invisalign, right?
Yeah, Invisalign. Clear aligners. This is the best in the market. There are also brands na different from Invisalign, but Invisalign is the best. Siya ang pinakauna and it's from US. So basically, ang buhaton is sukdan ra ka, and then after a few weeks, they're gonna send us like this, a 3D sa imong set of teeth, and then makita siya kung how it works. Basically, pag ani i-play nato, so makita ang movement.
Nice.
Yeah, and also sa lower, kung gusto ka, from here, pwede na to siya arrange og tarong, and then if like this, ano, so kung ani pwede ra siya makita nimo siya ang result prior the treatment, so pwede ra jud kaayo.
Nice. So this is the latest technology in dental field, no?
Yeah. Actually, it's not latest, pero bago lang siya sa Philippines.
Bago lang siya sa Philippines.
Mas bago din siya sa Cagayan de Oro.
Mas bago din siya sa Cagayan de Oro. Brought to you by MADC Dental Clinic.
So, if you have plans, ask for a certified provider of Invisalign.
So MADC Dental Clinic is, are you the only here in CDO?
I guess.
Yeah, the certified Invisalign provider in CDO. One. So that's it.